If you're encountering the cannot download photo from your iCloud photo library error on your iPhone, it can be quite frustrating. This issue usually indicates a problem with your internet connection or settings related to iCloud. Here are steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1. Check iCloud settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Tap on iCloud. Tap Photos. Ensure that iCloud Photos is enabled. If this is enabled already, turn it off and turn it back on. After that, scroll down. Select Download and Keep Original. Now restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Check internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Verify that your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open browser. Type speed test. Now make sure to have stable internet. If your internet is slow, enable airplane mode for 10 seconds. Now disable it. After that, switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Solution 3. Sign out and sign back into iCloud. Open the Settings app. Tap on your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and select Sign out. Follow the prompts to sign out. Then sign back in using your Apple ID. Once signed in, try downloading the photo again. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap on General. Tap on Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. After updating, check if the issue persists. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down. Tap on General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset. Then select Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Note that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi password and VPN settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the cannot download photo from your iCloud photo library error on your iPhone. If the issue continues, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.